Have you ever woken up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? Or felt like no matter how much you sleep, it's never enough? Well, you're not alone. Sleep is one of the most underrated aspects of our health, yet it plays a crucial role in how we feel, think, and function every day. In this video, we'll explore what happens in your body and brain while you sleep, why good sleep is so important, and most importantly, how to improve your sleep quality. So stay until the end because I'll be sharing 5 practical tips to help you sleep better and wake up full of energy. Many people think sleep is just a break for the body, but in reality, your brain and body are more active than you might imagine. During sleep, your brain processes and consolidates memories. Everything you learned during the day is organized and stored, making it easier to access later. It eliminates toxins accumulated throughout the day, reducing the risk of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's. It regulates emotions, helping you stay calmer and more balanced during the day. At the same time, your body repairs cells and tissues, aiding in regeneration and strengthening your immune system. It regulates hormones that control hunger, stress, and energy levels. For example, lack of sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone, making you more prone to anxiety and depression. It maintains blood sugar and blood pressure balance, reducing the risk of diabetes and heart disease. So, sleep is much more than just rest, it's an essential process for our daily health and performance. If you've ever had nights where you slept only 3 to 4 hours, you probably felt the effects immediately: fatigue, lack of focus, and irritability. But what happens if sleep deprivation becomes a habit? Short-term effects include decreased concentration and learning ability, increased stress and irritability, and a weakened immune system, making you more vulnerable to colds and infections. Long-term effects include a higher risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, accelerated aging and more wrinkles, and memory problems with a higher risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Studies show that people who sleep less than 6 hours per night have a 30% higher risk of mortality compared to those who get 7 to 9 hours. So if you're sacrificing sleep for work or entertainment, it's time to rethink your priorities. Sleep isn't a linear process. Your brain goes through 4 different stages, each with a unique role. Light sleep is the transition phase between wakefulness and sleep. Breathing slows down and the body relaxes. Deep sleep is when the body starts repairing itself and brain activity decreases. This is the longest sleep phase. Regenerative deep sleep is when muscle repair, memory consolidation, and cellular regeneration take place. REM sleep, rapid eye movement, is the most active sleep phase, where dreams occur and the brain processes emotions and memories. These stages repeat 4 to 6 times per night, with each cycle lasting around 90 to 120 minutes. If you struggle with sleep, here are 5 simple steps to help you sleep better. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Blue light blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone. Create the perfect sleep environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and set to a comfortable temperature, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Avoid caffeine and alcohol in the evening, these can disrupt deep sleep. Exercise daily, but not too late. A physical activity helps improve sleep, but do it at least 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. If you try these tips, hit the like button and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest sleep challenge? Sleep isn't a luxury, it's one of the most important things you can do for your health. If you want to be more productive, healthier, and happier, start by optimizing your sleep. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more health and lifestyle tips. How many hours do you sleep per night? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear about your experience.